Okay, Bitzy's getting harassed by the boys. She's got a rubber chicken and they keep trying to steal it. Stop harassing them. Unhand it, Shay. She's gonna get mad at you. Don't pull it back there. We'll never see it again. Oh, God. Look at him. There, we'll get Percy to deal with you. Percy, get him to let go. Let go. Oh, you're incorrigible. He's like, why does she want it? She can't even hear. Let's put it in the box, and then everybody's got to try to figure out how to get it out. Angus, you're not going to help him, are you? That's Bitzy's chicken. Bitzy, grab your chicken before it gets stolen. Oh, the little bastard. Get back here. No, get back here. Oh, my goodness.